Hey guys, it's Shinika.
Hey, first video.
Okay, it's our first video.
Sorry,
and-
our dad's pressure washing in the backyard, so there's gonna be some noise. But we can't go inside because we don't want to make a mess. I make our mom mad.
Okay, so we're gonna be playing with slime.
We're gonna
Okay.
do some slime championships. The
Yes,
first
slime?
one is making a bubble with slime. The next one is kneading it and seeing who can make the loudest
A
pop.
clicky test.
The clicky test. And the third one is making cinnamon rolls. Who
Yeah.
can make the better one?
We always do this every time we play with slime.
Yeah! This is my microphone, by the way.
We got like 3 cups back here, like 4 cups back here.
To use as rollers and to make our thing as good as we can.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the bubble test.
Yeah, we're gonna go on to the bubble test.
I'm gonna roll mine to show them the video. Okay. I'm gonna squish it down.
He's weird.
And then I'm gonna go hallelujah.
He kissed the slime.
And then you're gonna go and make a oval. And then you're gonna squish it down kind of like that. Okay, get back and show him. Bubble!
That's his bubble. Remember that.
About this big.
If you can draw it out. If you know how to draw professional. Now, Courtney. Sorry about the camera. Okay. Hi. No, don't.
I'm not.
Okay. I got the cup. Gonna pat it. And roll it out. Oh my god. Okay, and then we're gonna roll it like this. Oh man! I get to try again. If you don't do it right, we always get to have one more try.
And if you don't try it this time right, yeah, you lost.
I lost. Okay.
Come on!
Okay, we're gonna put the camera back. Now it's gonna be the slime. The cookie
First of all,
test.
intermission. Whoever wins gets to win. Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Okay, let's go on with the clicky test. Okay, first
You
you
could sit right,
sit in a ball cup.
right here.
Not on me. Okay, in the cup. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna I'll go first.
Who's got some slime on choo-choo?
Oh no.
We'll get to that later.
Choo-choo. Okay, I'm gonna go first. We're gonna roll in a ball. See if it's a little unicorn. Then I'm gonna click. Oh, click, click, click.
Okay, that was pretty loud.
Okay, let me do Clayton.
You mean let me see him?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it closer.
Mine's more stiff.
No.
I won that round.
No.
You guys comment down below
Look.
who won that.
Look, watch. Do yours. Yeah, mine.
No, it's like a tie. Comment down
Okay,
below who
comment
you
down
think
here
won.
you think won.
It's a tie for right now. So we both got 1 point. Now it's for the cinnamon test. So we're gonna be doing this at the same time. Okay, for mine, I'm gonna do it first. For mine, hold it.
Are we live?
No.
Oh, chicken nugget.
For mine, we're gonna
Hey,
be
you went first last time.
Oh yeah, Clayton's gonna go first.
For mine,
Sorry about that.
Miss, pointing at me. Miss Samosa, Miss, gonna make the best pizza pie. Wow. Okay, at the aim it here. Aim it here. Okay, first, you can sit down. No, you don't have to.
No, I'm gonna sit down.
Okay, let me sit the cup. First, you're gonna pat it like a baby's boy. Bad baby! Okay, next, mate. You gotta go like this, and then you're gonna go like this, make it like that, and then you're gonna knead it with your hands. And then you're gonna pat it like a baby's boy. No, you don't get to do yours. Make sure you're getting into all directions. And you're gonna go like this and make it out of like. Gonna go. Did you end it?
No.
And then you're gonna go. And then you're gonna go.
Don't do that again. They didn't see. He ate it.
Tastes good, mate. Don't try it at home. I'm gonna get sick.
Okay, hold mine, hold mine. Okay, yeah. What you're gonna need is Bunny fell over. Hey! Bunny fell over. Okay, so you're gonna have to roll it. Point it at the slime, dude. So you're gonna first. Okay. First, you're gonna roll it. Make sure it's long. You're gonna
Wait, I hope you fall down.
You're gonna pat it down, okay? Then you're gonna take this. Gonna smooth it out. What was that? Smooth it out. Then you're gonna click it. Oh, you're zooming. You're gonna click it, then you're just gonna roll it. Who do you think won? Look at these. I think I won.
His looks like a mom.
Okay, comment down below if you think that one. I think it's gonna be a tie. So, yeah.
I won the first
Bye.
one.
So, and then it was a tie on the next one, then a tie on the next one. I think he won. Okay, just comment down below Team Clayton if you think he won, or hashtag Team Seneca.
Hashtag Team Clay. Hey, if you don't do it, I'm gonna delete your Minecraft. If you put Team Seneca.
If you
I'll
put
delete your Fortnite.
put Team Seneca,
Seneca's so
please.
bad.
Bye, guys.
She's dumb.